My dear friends, welcome to Rajashekar classes on ethical hacking. This is lecture number 12. In this lecture, we will try to understand Google hacking, sometimes referred to as Google Dorking. It is an information gathering technique used by an attacker leveraging advanced Google searching techniques. Google hacking search queries can be used to identify security vulnerabilities in web applications, gather information for arbitrary or individual targets, discover error messages disclosing sensitive information, discover files containing credentials and other sensitive data. You can search with respect to file type. You are looking for certain kind of files. For example, I am looking for PDF, or otherwise I am looking for JPEG file or any type of file. I can search for particular file type. So I can search by file type as well. For example, if I would like to search for a PDF file, how can I write? Syntax is simple. I must write file type colon type of the file. You have to specify here type of the file. For example, just see here file type colon I am interested in finding PDF file. If you want to search for a specific file type, then you can use, this is an operator. Basically, what is this file type? It's an operator, isn't it? This operator is useful to find specific file type. So the file type operator can be used as file type colon type of the file. For example, file type colon PDF. So what it is, it shows some sort of error message, isn't it? What is the reason? So what is the reason? Why are we getting some sort of error message? We have not given any website. We are specifying file from which website you have to search. That must be specified. That's why it's generating an error message. So we have not given any website or anything, so it is not showing any result. That's the problem. To use file type operator, we have to combine with some other operator. Let's say my site is Microsoft.com. In that case, what will I do? Just see file type colon, what I have to write? PDF, file type is PDF, site Microsoft.com. What does it mean? It shows the result from Microsoft.com, and all the links which are showing are the links of PDF files. Just see, this is a PDF file. This is a PDF file, isn't it? There is another operator, that is @ operator. Just see this one. So there are so many operators. Let me specify few operators. Let me say @. Just see this operator says that you want to restrict your search to social media. Social media means what? Nature lover. Social media means what? Just Instagram. It's showing the results from Instagram. Just see, it's showing the results from Instagram. It's showing the results from YouTube. It's showing the results from Twitter, isn't it? Therefore, @ says that you want to restrict your search to social media before search. Just see, before search keyword, just put @ symbol. You have to keep @ symbol before that particular search keyword. Now, if you want to limit your search in social media website, if you want to limit your search in social media websites, that's important. In social media website, what you have to do? Just use an operator known as @ operator. For example, @ I am writing nature lover. That's what I'm saying, @nature lover. Now Google is showing all the results which are from social media websites. We can use this result, this from, as I told you, just you can see the social media websites, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, isn't it? It's simple and straightforward. Google also supports some basic operator such as plus. Plus is an operator, minus is an operator. I already discussed about minus operator in my previous classes. I request you to make an experiment with operators like plus and minus. Let's see example of OR operator. What is OR operator? OR means what? What does it mean? Just say this operator, in OR operator, if I say something like this double quotes, what does it mean? This particular double quotes operator is useful to search for specific keyword. For example, just see, this is red OR, this is OR operator. I am specifying rows in double quotes, isn't it? So we can see we are given parameter as what is parameter here? Red or green rows. This is a parameter. So it's showing red or green roses. This result is red or green roses. Google, in this case, which one is keyword? Keyword is rows. How do you know whether it is keyword or not? If you specify something in double quotes, that is keyword. You are searching for, you are using OR operator and you are also using double quotes operator, isn't it? Google also have a database called hacking database. Let me repeat. Google also have a hacking database called as Google hacking database. It's an important database. This is the website. How can I just go to Google, type Google hacking database? You will get GHDB, Google hacking database. This is the website. What's the website? www.exploit-db.com. This is the website for Google hacking database. Here we will find bunch of commands. If you click here, you will get this particular page. Just see downloads, certifications, training, professional and services. There is some, you will get some, what is this, date added, then what is category, who is author. Yes, you can see different fields. This is one of the important database. I will spend lot of time in my future classes. Time being, just understand this Google having a database called as Google hacking database. Here we will find bunch of commands which is basically a combination of various with some keywords which has been used by hackers or practitioners to find out some information from their target systems. So if you want to use it, then you can simply copy, just see this one. It's just date added. This is from Google hacking database. What is the date? 12/1/2022, 12/1/2022. What is the dark? It specifies what is dark. What is a category? Who is author? Just see authors. Even you can find Indian authors. Is it Agarwal means is an Indian author, isn't it? You can find many Indian authors also. I request you to spend a time on this particular hacking database. In my future classes also, I will spend a lot of time on this particular database. Just see, I am copying site. There is some dark. What is the dark? I am copying this dark. If you want, you can copy it and paste it in your browser. Let me copy this particular dark and let me paste it. Just I am pasted in search bar. Now I'm getting all relevant results. So in this way, you can use all operators or commands which are available in Google hacking database. So with the help of Google search engine, we can find the necessary information about target in less time as compared to normal search. The exploit database, this Google hacking database, I can say it's an exploit database, is common. This point is important. This common vulnerabilities and exposures. This is the exploit database is a common vulnerabilities and exposures compliant archive of public exploits and corresponding vulnerability softwares. This point is important. The exploit database is common vulnerabilities and exposure CVE compliant archive of public exploits and corresponding vulnerability softwares. The Google hacking database is an authoritative source for querying the ever widening reach of the Google search engine. As I told you, I will spend lot of time on this particular database, Google hacking database, in my future classes. Just see here, what am I doing? File type PDF. Why it is giving error? What is the reason? Reason is we have not given any website name. That's why it's giving an error. In that case, what we did, we give site Microsoft.com. Therefore, it's generating all PDF files from this particular Microsoft.com. Not only PDF files, you can try for different type file formats. That may be JPEG files, different files, isn't it? As I told you, @ will give the search results from social media website. Just see Instagram. You can see different social media website. Just see Instagram. You can see results from Twitter. Even you can see results from YouTube. That's what it says. This is the Google hacking database, just which we were discussing. Just go to Google and say, just I copied this particular doc and I pasted in my browser. It's showing something related to SEO result. What is Google hacking database? It just study all these fields. Date added. What is the date? Recent 12/1/2022. Yes. What is a date? What is a doc? What is its category? What's its author? As I told you, it is very important database in the context of hackers. We will try to spend lot of time on this particular database in my future classes. Thank you very much.